Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off your Xbox game bar in Windows 11. First, go to the search bar and search for the PowerShell and click on the Run as Administrator. After that, type in the get-app package and then space Microsoft .xbox gaming overlay and then vertical pipe and then remove -app package. And then after that, hit enter. And that's going to go ahead and remove the Xbox game bar. Now, if I press the Windows and the letter J on my keyboard to bring up the game bar, you can see now that it's no longer appearing. And that's how you turn off your Xbox game bar in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.